Welcome to quizfunfest. Ready for a trivia quest? Here's number 1. What language does the word emoji come from? Is it American, Japanese, or Korean? It's Japanese. Next one. What body part does not feel pain? Is it brain, or ear, or sole of foot? It's brain. Third one. What ship carried the Pilgrims to America? Is it Mayflower, or Titanic, or Santa Maria? The right answer is Mayflower. Hit like if you got this right. Number 4. Who gave the "I Have a Dream" speech? Is it Nelson Mandela, Malcolm X, or Martin Luther King Jr.? It's Martin Luther King Jr. I'm sure you got this. Number 5. What country was known as Siam? Is it Japan, Indonesia, or Thailand? It's Thailand. Enjoying the quiz? Then like and share with friends. And subscribe for more such videos. Next one. According to legend, what was the shape of King Arthur's table? There are no options for this one. It was round. Number 7. What's the oldest living language, meaning it's still spoken today? Is it Sanskrit, Mandarin, or Tamil? It's Tamil. Number 8. What planet is known as the blue planet? Is it Earth, Mars, or Neptune? It's Earth. Which country invented tea? Is it China, or England, or Brazil? It's China. Hit subscribe if you got this right. Here's something different now. Spot 3 differences. You have 20 seconds. Can you find them? Keep looking. Time's up. There you have it. Here's a bonus one. Which animal carries its babies in a pouch? Is it an orangutan, or kangaroo, or crocodile? Share your answer in the comments. Next one. Which of these countries doesn't have a king? Is it Sweden, United Kingdom, or the USA? It's USA. Number 12. What is the name of Harry Potter's school? Is it X-Mansion, Hogwarts, or Sky High? Hogwarts, of course. Which of these dogs is a boxer? Is it A, or B, or C? It's C. Number 14. Which of these is not a part of Japan? Is it Kyoto, Osaka, or Macau? It's Macau. Next one. How many years are there in a millennium? Is it 100, or 1,000, or 10,000? It's 1,000. Next one. What's the currency of Canada? Is it the dollar, or pound, or euro? It's Canadian dollar. Which organ has 4 chambers? Is it stomach, or heart, or lungs? It's heart. Hit like if you haven't already. Number 18. In which country can you find Stonehenge? Is it England, Scotland, or Norway? It's England. Next one. The word rendezvous comes from which language? Is it French, Spanish, or Portuguese? French. Next one. What is the opposite of convex? There are no options for this one. Concave. Next one. Which of these does not belong to Greek mythology? Is it Odin, Zeus, or Hera? It's Odin. He's from Norse mythology. Which of these is located in Philippines? Is it Rizal Monument, or Taj Mahal, or Monas? It's Rizal Monument. Which of these birds can't fly? Is it penguin, or swan, or duck? It's penguin. Which famous painter's ear was cut off? Is it Vincent van Gogh, or Claude Monet, or Pablo Picasso? It's Vincent van Gogh. Complete the phrase, bite the blank. Is it tongue, bread, or bullet? The phrase is, bite the bullet. Number 26. A box holds 8 items. How many boxes do you need to hold 96 items? There are no options for this question. 12. Next one. Morocco is in which continent? Is it Africa, Asia, or South America? It's Africa. What's the capital of Philippines? Is it Manila, Ankara, or Jakarta? It's Manila. Here's an interesting one. What is the largest human organ? Is it skin, small intestine, or large intestine? It's skin. Last one. Pick the odd one out. That's the one. I'm sure you got it. Pick your next challenge from the options shown.